Hello, my tech fabulous students. In this movie, I'm going to show you a technique for creating a custom painting in Photoshop using some help from Google Draw to make sure that your work is the same size as your classmates' work. We're going to begin by signing into our account and click on Next. And let's go ahead and begin. So I'm going to start out my project in Google Draw. So I'll go ahead and head over to Drive. And create a new file. And the file type will be a Google drawing. As soon as I start my file, the first thing I want to think about is that I want to put my name on my work. So first name, first initial of last name, and then underscore what you are going to put in here, create, write. What is the title of your work? Sometimes I'll give you specific information for your title. Other times you can name it what you want. For today, I'm going to call this one, because I want to do a painting in Photoshop of a native Californian animal, the scrub jay. I'll call this Scrub Jay Photo. And again, we're making this in Google Draw first so that all of our classmates' work can be consistent, the same size, and it will be easy for you to fit into your animation or your video quickly and easily without having to resize it later. All right, now I'm going to do a search, and I'm going to use Creative Commons. Search.creativecommons.org. This is a great place to get images that are not owned by anyone who wants to retain the rights or would charge you for using their photos. People own what is known as the copyright if they created it, and they might not want you to use their photo. If you search here at creativecommons.org and you click on Google Images, once you put in your search, you know that all the images that you are finding are fair for you to use, meaning the owner of the picture says it's okay for you to use it in your work. So I'm going to type here Scrub Jay. And these are all of the Google images that are safe for me to use in my artwork, whether it's for school or educational purposes or in another format in my design work. So I'm going to go ahead and find a cool looking Scrub Jay image that I like. I'm going to pick this one because it's fairly large, shows me the size here, and the bird is at a really good angle so I can see all of its features. I'm going to click on it, hold my control key down, and choose copy image, and then back over to my Google drawing and choose edit paste. And at this point, I think I will scale, or in other words, resize, stretch the picture. All right, now with my Scrub Jay artwork in place on my Google drawing, it's automatically saved, and I'm going to choose download as PNG image. My image has been downloaded, and to go and get it, to bring it into Photoshop, I'll click on this little arrow at the lower right corner and choose Show in Finder. Remember to always use Chrome as your browser when you're doing your schoolwork. And by using Chrome, you're going to have all the features that you need to do your work easily without any problems. So here is my Scrub Jay image in my Downloads folder. Yours might not look like this. Yours might look like this, list style. And I'm going to take the Scrub Jay photo and open it up in Photoshop. Now, if you look down here, you can see that Photoshop is not open. If Photoshop is not open, and it should be on your computer, you can come over here to the magnifying glass and type in Photoshop. You can see it's already popping up here, and double click to open up Photoshop. All right, now that Photoshop is open, I'm going to minimize my view here and come back, get my Scrub Jay image and drop it on top of, make sure that the little arrow or the cursor arrow goes onto Photoshop, and There you have it. Your Scrub Jay is ready to start painting. In the next movie, I will show you how to add layers, pick colors, make a custom palette, and even add in a new background for your animal painting. See you in a few minutes.